Hi folks, it's Eli here. I'm going to be your soaper today at Tubby Tabby Soaps. And we are making, I'm very excited, we're making a Gandalf inspired soap. It's going to be called, I think, Wizard's Beard, maybe? Yeah, we're still to decide the title, but I think it's going to be called Wizard's Beard. So, first thing I'm going to do is put my sodium lactate into my lye water solution. And what this will do, I got a little cheat sheet here, so. What this will do is it will help the bar set faster. And the next thing I'm doing is adding our coconut milk powder. And now I'm going to blend the coconut milk powder in, because otherwise it just stays kind of clumpy. And now, the fun bit, I'm going to add the lye water in and start making our soap. Okay, and I am notorious at over blending it. So I've gotten the okay to do it a touch more. I had Leah check. If you go to our bloopers reel, you'll know what happens if I'm not careful. It's not quite soap on a spoon. Okay, it is now at trace. I want this to be fairly thin because what I'm doing today is a in the pot swirl. You don't want it to be too thick because you don't get the nice like swirly effect. Yeah, so I'm going to put titanium dioxide in the big batch. And I'm leaving a tiny bit behind to add to the gray bit. So yeah, adding my fragrance. Oh, this stuff smells so good. I think Leah finds it a little strong, but I really like it. It's, I actually have a cologne that I used to wear. Don't so much these days, since so many... Well, I mean, I suppose I could, because we're working from home. But in the office, we have, like, a no-scent policy. But it's leathery and smoky, and there's, like, something kind of sweet in it. And, like, yeah, that really makes it feel like Gandalf to me. Like, you know, he's old, he's always smoking a pipe. On the road, and he likes a touch of sweet sometimes. Oh, that smells so good. To me. So we're using a silver mica for this, which is like really shiny and chrome looking right now. But we'll go matte once the soap is finished. And yeah, it's a bit on the dark side, so I'm just gonna add my TD. I'm sure that will fix it up. Give it a quick stir with a spatula. Make sure I get all the stuff off the side. Okay, now here's the really fun part. When you do the actual swirl. Yeah, I think I'm gonna spin it with the spatula, or turn it with the spatula. So, okay, time for the pour. thump it to get the air bubbles out, and then after that, spritz the top with alcohol. This makes me so nervous, the thumping part, because I'm afraid it's gonna like slosh all over the sides in the tidal wave. It'd be fine. Leah does this all the time. So I suppose I should like be more confident in my sub skills or something. Gosh, she makes it look so easy. This is 99% rubbing alcohol, and this prevents what's called soda ash, which isn't like bad or anything, it just doesn't look super nice. I'm gonna let it set up, and then you'll get to see the inside. Alright, first cut. So exciting. Look at that. That looks pretty great. Oh, and it still smells really good. Oh, also guys, I just realized that the shirt I'm wearing is like really thematic. Yeah, so look at this print. It is it's like D&D alchemy based. This one's almost like a hypnotic swirl. I love it. And we're releasing these in March. But anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Click the bell notification to follow. Yeah, so have a good day. Bye!